Now that we've registered some routes, let's actually do so that we can access them in the browser. To do so, we must add a so-called route outlet. This sounds fancy and all, but all it really means is a tag that we add within a template where we want the matched component to be rendered. In this case, that will be within the app.vue files template. So let's open that up. And right after the navigation bar, I will add a router-vue tag. The component that is matched by the route will therefore be rendered at this position in the template. Now in this particular application, I need to pass the card object to the card component, so I will add that with the vbind directive. Note that this is just something that I hacked together when rewriting the example application to use components, so it's not really ideal to do this in this case. In other cases, it may be more appropriate, so now you know that it's possible in case you need it. With that being done, we should be able to see the components being rendered correctly in the browser. So let's see. And there you go, when opening the main page, we see the product list component being rendered, because this is the component that we added with an empty path. This component is being rendered at the place where we added the router-vue tag. Now we haven't actually added a way for us to navigate between the two routes, so I'll just edit the URL manually to view the card. And there you go, this component works as well. Now perhaps you noticed that the URL looks a little strange with a hashtag followed by a slash. As you might have guessed, the part after the hashtag is the route path. This is the default strategy that the Vue router uses for matching routes, because this will work in old browsers. Luckily, it's possible to change this to make it look nice, so let's take a look at that next.